Where'd that come from?
Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 a.m. At 9:07 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Libertyville to Inverness to near Sleepy Hollow, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Skokie, Des Plaines, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Park Ridge, and Addison. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Triton College, Northeastern Illinois University, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, Wrigley Field, the Loop, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service.
That came out of nowhere.